Today we're going to be spending some time in our classroom library and learning how it is organized. When you know how our library is organized, you're going to be able to find books that you want to read that interest you. As you can see on our chart here, there are many different ways that libraries can be organized. They can be organized by author, illustrator, genre, series, theme, and topic. You're going to be put into a group, and each group is going to be given a stack of books that came straight from our library. One group at a time is going to go over to our library and talk about how our books are organized. Then you're going to work together to put the books back on the shelf or in the bins that they belong. Remember, you might have to open up the books, get a good feel for what they are, see what genre they are, but most importantly, I want you to become familiar and comfortable with how our library is organized. Once your group has put all the books back on the shelf or in the bins, you're going to have a seat at your desk, and you're going to write in your reader's notebook how our library is organized and what section are you most excited about finding a book to read.